Okay, this is a short video on how to sign up on Metaforce. So once you go to your Trust Wallet, ensure that you have funded your account and copy the link of your inviter. Have the link of your inviter handy. Then go to dApps. Look at dApps below. Click on dApps. At the search bar at the top, paste the link of your inviter. Paste the link of your inviter, then load it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, change the icon at the top right to yes, the way you see Polygon there, change it to Polygon, right? In some cases you see it as Ethereum, change it to Polygon. Once it's changed to Polygon, then you can click on sign up. Use Trust Wallet for those of you using Trust Wallet, then click on sign up. Now you can click on approve, enter your PIN, wait for it to load. Sometimes when it slows down this way, right? Okay, fantastic, successfully registered. It means you have successfully registered. Now you move to activating and buying the slots. So scroll down till you get to the classic, then click on preview. So click on preview, you'll see the various levels. On level 1, you'll see the activate button. Click on activate. Then click proceed to check, confirm, enter your PIN, and wait for it to load. Approve. Once it's taking too much time to load, you can reload it by clicking on the icon at the top right, those 3 dots dotted. Click it, then reload the page. Now you see level 1 is already activated, so you proceed to activating all other levels that you have funded your wallet for. So on activating level 2 is the same way. Confirm, enter your PIN, wait for it to check, approve, enter your PIN. Then if it also delays beyond necessary, you also reload it. Click on the 3 dotted spot at the top right, so that you can reload the page. If you reload it, you will also discover that it has been upgraded. You have successfully bought level 2. So this is how to buy every other level. You follow through. Now if you want your referral link, you go to the home page. Right at the home, you see where you see Metaforce or space, that copy button, that is your referral link. Copy and send it to your own partners.